Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to check whether a string starts with specified characters. So given a string and given the characters, so you have to check if the string starts with a specified characters. So let's try to solve this. So let me take string 1, that is a variable, and let's ask a user to enter the string 1. So let me use input function call, and let's say enter string. Yeah, so this is the first string. So now let's take 2, and that is a s2, and this is the specified character. So let me use again input function, and here let's ask a user to enter the second string or enter the characters. So let's say enter characters. Yeah, so this is the s2. So once you get the s1 and s2, so now let's try to find the s2 length. S2 underscore length equals to length. Use the length function call, and that is a built-in function. So let's pass the argument as s2. So once you get the s2 length, so we are trying to find the, that is the starting characters. So let's use if statement, and let's take s1. So let's use a string slicing technique over here. So s1 of, let's take s1 colon and s2 underscore length. So this will try to get the characters or the given string, that is s1. So it will try to get the of that particular length, and let's compare it with s2. So hope you understood this. That is we are taking the string slice, that is a slice of the first string up to the length, and comparing it with the s2. So if both are equal, so then string starts with specified characters, else string doesn't start with specified characters. So let's try to print it. So here string starts with, let's give colon, and let's give s2 over here. So let's use a print formatting, and if this statement is false, so let's use else part, and let's print string does not start with s2. Let's use the print formatting, and let's say string does not start with, let's give colon, and here let's give s2. Yeah, so this is a complete Python code to check whether a string starts with specified characters. So let me execute this, and let me show you how it works. So I'll be copying this. So let me run this and enter a string. So let's say this is my string, that is a headline, and let's say write. So this is my, that is the characters. So you can see string starts with WRIT. Let me close this. Let me re-execute, and let me paste the same and enter the characters. Let's say hello. So you can see string does not start with hello. This for negative scenario. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to check whether string starts with specified characters. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.